So guys, apparently if you spin fidget spinners at 3 AM, some things weird happens. So let's give it a try.
Let's go.
I'm scared. I'm gonna spin this one first.
Is anything happening?
There's
Nothing's happening.
Kind of good.
This is like
Okay,
hypnotising me.
Nothing's happening. So
Nothing's
far.
happening.
Must be fake.
Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try that one. Maybe this one.
No.
Nothing's happening. It's so fake. Yesterday at 3 AM, Daddy said that he was spinning his fidget spinner and things weird happened.
Should we go get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, we got the fidget spinner.
Got the fidget spinner.
I don't want to spin it first.
I'm not spinning it.
Me neither.
Okay.
Jen,
Okay.
go first.
Okay. So far,
Nothing's happening.
What's happened to Zaki?
Zach.
Look.
The black
Fidget spinner.
I dare you to spin it.
I dare you to.
I dare you to.
You do it.
You do it.
It's by you. Turn around, touch your
I'm
not doing it.
I'm not doing it.
You're doing it.
No, you're doing it.
But you are.
You are. Pass it.
You do
You
it.
do. Basically, you do.
No, I dare you to.
Why?
It might not even work this time. Maybe. No. Maybe Zaki tricked us.
I dare you to.
Oh no. Me.
Okay.
You're on your own.
What happened to Kaylin? She spun this fidget spin. I really don't want to touch it. What happened? I really want to help Zach and Kaylin, so I guess I'm gonna spin it. 3, 2, 1.